My friends, it's Coach Vigue. I'm somewhere very, very green. Been traveling quite a bit lately. Good to see you again. I know it's been a while. I'm gonna let you know where I am at the end of this workout. I'll tell you where I am, but I was out for a hike and I wanted to plop down here and do this amazing morning yoga, morning mobility stretch. I know I need it after sitting in the car so much and all the other business we've been taking care of. So modify as needed, always use control. Click that like button right now and let's go. I'm gonna come right back here. We're gonna start with some slow vinyasas. Modify as needed. Did I already say that? Let's take it back. Enjoy the sounds of the birds and the streams. And you can't smell it, but it smells amazing here. It smells like if you watch the Andy Griffith show, this is what it smells like. We're in downward facing dog. Just walk the legs slowly. Let that body release, balance it out. And enjoy all this greenery. Where my sister is in Colorado, they got about a foot of snow today, so I'm not filming there. Stretch out the legs, stretch out the arms, take the fingers wide and breathe in deep, breathe out deep. All right, inhale forward to plank position. Hands are on the shoulders, elbows in. Let's rock it forward and back, massaging the shoulders and the calves, the shins, keeping the body as parallel as possible. Also feels good on the wrists, doesn't it? Inhale forward, exhale back. Every moment is an opportunity to get our bodies moving, to get them all revved up for whatever it is we like to do. Let me walk back a little bit. Two more. Now on the next forward, let's lower down, elbows hugging the ribs slowly, or drop the knees and fall down quickly. That's up to you. All the way down to the mat. Take the arms out, fingertips on the ground. Flex that right leg and then press up and back into a scorpion. Oh, and take it side to side. As slow as you like. Hold that pose longer if you wish. Woo. It's been a good fortnight since I've done a scorpion. Does that sound about right? Well, they got red ants here. That's good, but I've encountered those everywhere. I was filming by the stream over there, and I was not afraid of gators this time, or watching for them. All right, my friends, one more time each side. Press it back. Feel that stretch in the shoulder. You want that long, lean body. Hands are on the shoulders, cobra. Lifting up, stretch the legs back, or press up into up dog. Knees down or knees. Where am I? I need a bigger mat. Am I getting taller? Or is the mat shrinking? Or is it my perception of the mat that's changing? Drop the shoulders, lift, powering up, stretching the back, and all those beautiful paraspinal muscles along the spine. Back to downward facing dog. Bend that left leg, press that right heel down, and then sway side to side. One of my favorites was doing it at the gym a couple days ago after doing a bunch of squats. So great way to open up your calves and your hamstrings, your glute. Switch the legs. That always dynamic, ever-flowing movement. First time in the sun in a while also. This feels good. All right, shake out the legs. Take it forward to plank and then lower down. Cobra or up dog. Powering, nice and strong. Side to side. Take your time. Nothing big and fancy here. Just some powerful basics. Anywhere, anytime. All right, downward facing dog. take this right leg forward. We have a pigeon. Left leg is gonna slide back. Relax that foot, slide back, slide back, slide back. Adjust this leg accordingly at the angle that works for you. Well, you and me. Stretch it back, stretch it back. Okay, now, so I say, take the hands out. We're gonna do shoulder sways. We're gonna drop this right shoulder down. Watch out, I'm gonna bend this left elbow. I'll start it here, then I'm gonna turn a little bit so you can see what the heck I'm doing here. So keep that going. If you need a little front view, I'm out like this. Getting the benefit of the pigeon plus the shoulder stretch. Would you get off my hand? There you go. All right, one more time, each side. Down. It's a new state. Who knows what's gonna be biting me or nibbling. So we're back, we're gonna lift up into a proud pigeon, come up onto your fingertips if you like, or arms up. Watch out for those strings. There we go. Arms back, arms back. Lifting, lifting. Okay, and let's switch to the other side. Everyone's yelling at me. Hey, Coach Vigue, what are you doing here? Okay. Let's keep it quiet. Slide the right leg back. Here we go. Slide right here. Flatten out the hip flexor, the hip extender. Back, back, back. And then you could settle in. Keep it up here, down, or hands out, and here we are. Shoulder sways. What a lovely spot. Love these spots here. Roll out the mat and get a whole workout in. Might just change your life. Make the difference between a great day and week or a bad one. One more time, each side. Oh, goodness. Now lift her up here. Sliding that back leg back, or, oh, this is a little tougher. Open up. My body wants to shift over to the left here. I'm gonna make a little adjustment. There we are, let it all come together. All right, downward facing dog. Shake out the legs. Take the feet together, stretch it back, get the leaf off your forearm, and then side to side with that sway. There's a string on each hip bone pulling you back and forth. How's that feel? Very good. All the way over. Maybe some little crunchies happening, adjustments, cavitations. Ooh, that's good. And then over. Let's take the knees down. Cross the legs. Whoa, I must be on a decline. Almost went right down into that. Oh, there's a little bridge down there. Little Music Man bridge. How charming. Take the legs in front. Shake it out. Okay, we're gonna hinge forward, draw the toes towards you, lead with the crown of the head, and then rise back up. Place the hands right by the hips, right by the sides here, and lift up. A little tendon stretch. Flex those feet. Lower back down, all body weight. Lengthen. And then back, lift. Feels good on the arms. Stretching the backs of the legs. Let's do it one more time. Good Lord, my friends, I am 50 in about 2 months. Let's take an extra stretch right here for 50. Oh, make sure you share this with all your friends, everyone, but especially those who are maybe turning 50 this year or already have the honor and blessing of being over 50, and lift. There's some random red bug coming by. That's kind of a wasp. A red wasp. I thought I saw everything in Florida. Okay. Good to see you. Stretch. Cross the right foot over the left leg. We're gonna twist to the right. This arm here. Let me know if the red wasp, the Ross, comes back again, or take the arm here. Drop the shoulders, sitting up tall. A seated twist does wonders for your sides, your lower back, your posture, and your breath. 2 more breaths. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Now, a very special add-on. You don't want to miss this one. Don't turn away. Don't look away. Take this left hand. Take it to the outside of your right foot. Extend that right leg and then reach the right arm back. So we have the extension here. You might be here. Maybe you're out here. Hima. And then we reach this arm back. 5 breaths. Lift with the inhale. Lengthen with the exhale. Drop these shoulders down. It's always a big challenge as we get in these big stretches. We're getting so excited. The shoulders want to creep up to celebrate. Keep them down. Keep the tension out. Ooh. Some flossing here with the foot, flexing and pointing. All right, bring it down. Quick shakeout. Okay, let's twist to the other side. Right leg comes out, my friends. Left foot across. Shoulders back and down. Twist to the left with the upper body grabbing here, or if you're able, you can snake that right arm to the other side of the leg. This hand, left hand comes down for support. Drop the shoulders. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lift. Let's do one more breath, my friend. Really stretch out, release, and youthen your lower back. Okay, and then right hand to the outside of your left foot. Extend, left arm out. 5 breaths, make it yours. Twisting, lifting, dropping the shoulders. Ooh, a little adjustment in the shoulder there. One more breath. That's the best stuff right there. Shake it out. And child's pose. Child's pose, knees wide, feet wherever you like them. Take this right arm, thread it underneath on the diagonal. Thread the needle. 3 breaths. And then other side. You can rock forward and back, massaging the shoulder. Anybody around? Okay, good. Gotta be careful. Oh, that is good stuff. Knees wide, stretch it back. Beautiful child's pose. Let that back release. How do you feel, my friends? Ooh, feeling better? This stretch help. Click that like button. Click it, click it, click it. Get these long, lean stretches out to everyone. Always subscribe and click the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. One more breath. Wring out the spine, wring out the back. You want to have the spine of a young person. Youthen that spine. All right. Okay, my friends, it's me, Coach Vigue, from this patch of greenery. Smells great, looks great, only got bitten a few times. Where am I? Well, I am somewhere in Tennessee. My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below. Try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.